Let me walk you through the process, step by step. First, you will want to remove the lower guard panel of your motorcycle's original turn signal and tail light. All mounting screws are symmetrically positioned. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as we will need them later. Next, carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the original turn signals. Now take your new turn signals and align the connectors. You should hear a satisfying click when they are properly engaged. Before reassembling, turn on your motorcycle's power to verify both left and right turn signals are functioning correctly. Once confirmed, simply reattach the taillight's lower guard panel and secure the new turn signals, using those screws we saved earlier.